What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo। इस वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाला हूँ एग्जीक्यूशंस जो मैं अपने मेंटीज के साथ भी शेयर करता हूँ। इस वीडियो में मैं यूज करूंगा ऑलमोस्ट अ कैपिटल ऑफ 2 लाख रुपीज। सो अभी से आप जो भी मेरी एग्जीक्यूशन वीडियोस देखने वाले हो उनमें मैं 2 लाख से लेके 3 लाख या 4 लाख, क्योंकि अभी क्वांटिटीज बढ़ने वाली है, उतना ही कैपिटल यूज करने वाला हूँ। और मेरा फोकस है 1% या 2% या 1.5% का प्रॉफिट मैं करूँ। ये मेरा पूरा फोकस है। उससे ज्यादा मेरा कोई फोकस नहीं है। अगर मैं ये चीजें कंसिस्टेंसी के साथ कर सकता हूँ, देयर इज अ वेरी हाई चांस कि मैं मंथली 5 to 6% ऑन अ रेगुलर बेसिस कमा सकूं। बस वही मेरा फोकस है। मैं सारी एग्जीक्यूशन मेरे जो होते हैं लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन में अपने मेंटीज के साथ भी शेयर करता हूँ। यहाँ पे आप मेरा फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो अगर आप यहाँ पे नए हो। लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। यहाँ पे मैं मार्केट में जो भी एक्सपेक्टेशन होती है मैं वो शेयर करता हूँ। जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा था 24,119 प्राइस जा सकता है। उसके बाद उसी चीज का मैंने ट्रेड भी किया था, उस चीज का प्रॉफिट भी मैंने मेंटीज के साथ शेयर किया है। मैं यूजली आप लोग के साथ शेयर नहीं कर रहा था वो एग्जीक्यूशन, वो सारी चीजें, बट अभी से मैं वो चीजें भी आप लोग के साथ शेयर करना शुरू कर दूंगा इवेंचुअली। अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे, यहाँ पे मेरा बायस गलत हुआ था लेकिन मैंने कोई ट्रेड नहीं ली थी एंड वो स्क्रीनशॉट मैंने यहाँ पे आपके साथ शेयर किया है। लेकिन क्या होता है ना, बहुत सारी चीजें मिस हो रही है। सो आई वांट यू टू रियली वॉच दिस एग्जीक्यूशन एंड चीजों को समझो। डू नॉट जज ऑन द बेसिस कि कितना प्रॉफिट है कितना नहीं। कैपिटल आप देखोगे उसके ऊपर सिर्फ 1% या 2% मेरा मेजर फोकस होता है दिन का। अगर आप यहाँ पे देखोगे मैं सारी चीजें अपने मेंटीज के साथ शेयर करता हूँ। कौन सी ट्रेड, क्या प्रॉफिट, ये सब एक लिमिटेड अकाउंट के लिए मैं उनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ। बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि वो बड़े अकाउंट पे जाके चीजें देखे और ओवर ट्रेड करे, ओवर रिस्क करे। सो आई इंश्योर कि चीजें कैसे चलती है। ऑलराइट गाइस, सो लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो। FVG on the 4 hour time frame, I'll just show it to you. Right there, from this high of this candle to this volume imbalance, that's an inversion FVG. I'm anticipating push up from here, a little push higher that can lead the prices up. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. But I will be only taking the execution in the macro, and that is the 250 macro, nothing else. Nothing else. I'll avoid anything else. So I'll be just trading it in the 250 macro. I have the basket orders ready. Everything here. Okay. Basically, this is Gift Nifty here. 830 opening price. Price is short up pretty well. I'm anticipating a run higher that should leave this NDOG and run for that high see there. If the price can do give me any trade and run for it, it's a pretty nice move. If I look at the Nifty objective, that then I'm anticipating this high and this high to get taken out. That means we have a range of almost 55 to 60 points. I want it somewhere here. So let's just see what the prices get. If it can tap down into this area and it starts supporting, that's where I'll think of taking this trade into consideration. 30-second VI is there still open. Do we keep that stay open? What do we do there is very important. Because then that is going to define my stop loss. Looks like it just wants to go up without giving any sort of tapping into these areas. Let's see. If it just leaves the area, it's fine. We'll just avoid it. We have this fair value gap and volume balance still. I would like to see the price tap down into this area, this little area to the downside. Doesn't look like it wants to go there. So just okay. This is fine. This right here is my stop loss. So I've got a pretty big entry actually. It's like almost 35 points. Targets are 90 points. So we have to allow the price to get in. I want to see it go into this new day opening gap. That's where I can think of adding more positions if I feel things are going in my favor. I don't want to see this low touch. The low of the FVG should not tap. Okay, that's my stop loss. Target, I assume we have this entire volume imbalance because I remember when we were trading around here, the price was having a tough time going into that. So if the price really decides to go into that and wants to leave this inversion FVG, we'll see good moves higher. I'm going to add a position once we are into this volume imbalance. That's where I can think of adding a position. It's not easy for the price to break out of this, but if this is true support, which I believe this is true support, the prices shall rise higher. We have this very clearly. I'll be watching the GIF Nifty chart, sorry, the Bank Nifty chart as well, as it's going to give me some sort of conviction that, okay, Nifty is here to go up. This should not happen. It's pretty slow here. You should quickly be reacting to these specific points. If it's not doing that, that means it's actually now to see support, quick support. Macro will start in the next few minutes. I want to see a move before the macro so that when the macro comes, it eventually goes in my favor and not against. So this is the volume imbalance. What I can do is I can extend this and use this as my final target. I'm willing to add as we go into this newly opening gap on Kip Nifty. And this is the specific area I will add one more to my trade. But I need this to go up right now. I don't want to see this waste so much time here. This is a lot of time wasted. We have a bullish order block on the 5 minute. Even this candle itself is a bullish order block. So going down in this is not good. I mean, not deep right here. That means it's not good. It can go up from here to continue the momentum. That's what I would like to see. If it drops down all the way here, I'll collapse it. Because I wanted to see the stay out of the range as much as it can. This won't be too good. I want to see quick reactions from here. You see this LPG break, it should not resist. Should not resist. This is resisting, it's not good. Yeah, as you can see. If it's resisting, it's not good. This should support right away. This FPG should support the price, act as inversion. Interesting for now. Still watching it. Let's see. Because in the next 5 minutes, the markets are going to get a little wild, and I do not wish to quickly break out of it. Do it right now. We have a lot of things trying to support. It can support. That's what I'm still hopeful about. The price goes down and taps into this, I'll be out of this trade. It's a big 36 points stop loss. If it can show its path to the upside, we have something really good to aim for. That's almost like 100 points. That's going to be very worthy because I'll be adding more positions into this trade. All I know is that if the inversion FVG really wants to leave this area, it's too good. It's that fair value gap that's messing around right there. Shouldn't mess around with this. Break out of it, start taking support. Mm. GIF Nifty should really allow the prices to break into this, go up. That's where everything is going in our favor. And if this can run a little bit more momentum, it will be perfect for us to see what's happening. Trust me, we can add more positions to this. We can hold on to the trade a little longer. Maybe 40, 50 points, 60 points on an average will be too good for us to see once I add positions to this. Okay, adding positions. So let this go up a little bit. Let this act as an inversion. I don't want to see this fake. With stance speaking, I will be a little cautious about exiting my trade a little. I'll be mindful about that. This is my stop loss. I'll just trail it to this high of that fair value gap right there. Sorry, the low of that fair value gap. Okay. We're seeing some moves. I want to see those to continue as we have another fair value gap there. I want to see this support. Stop loss is now 32 points. I've moved it a little bit. I want to see quickness and price reacting from there. That would be nice to see. Once we can see that, will be too good. So this is good. 27 points worth of stop loss is good. It's a breakaway gap, right? So where is this pointing at? 24.44. 24.44 is where I'll keep the stop loss. 50% of this is where right there. So it's like 27 points. Okay. Now see it continue higher. So value gap should support if it starts if it starts breaking down and price really starts acting as resistance there, I will be quickly out of this trade. You can tap into the low of this candlestick and then quickly support this. It's not doing that, we'll be out of this trade. As we also have this inversion, both of it together should allow the prices to support. It's not doing that, I'll be out of trade. I need to see some support for me to add position into this. Because we are now in the macro, I can take a little risk of adding position to this. Not right now, obviously, when it starts pushing up. Check this. Yeah, I feel I can add in. All right, let's go for it. Putting into this trade, the everything is added. Wish to see this quickly. Can be tough, really tough to see that. Once it moves up, I have a right away trading stop loss right there below those lows. Okay, it's unable to continue higher. I wish to see some spikes. Now, to the upside, not to the downside also. Mm, all right. It's not doing what it is supposed to really do. We have another NDOG, so it can push the prices all the way down. That's what I can be fearful of right now. I don't want to see that. I want to see it continue. If this low, and this low can protect the prices, another spike that is going to be there will be very quick and very fast. That's what I would love to see, price. So it's need like 50 points on an average. So that's too bad. It's trying to go up, but it's facing all of the resistance that it can. It's all because of that NDOG. But the thing is, if that NDOG can still support, sorry, if that NDOG can still support, it will be too good. So I want to see this NDOG really support this. If it can support, it will be too good for us to see higher prices. Because then this and this will turn into a propulsion block and it will be too good for us to see another spike up. I'll add one more position up there. And once we leave this area, I know that I'm build my stop loss. I should really do it now because we have another spike up here. I don't want to see this resistance. Once we take out this buy side, I wish to see it quickly show more momentum to the upside. Vanity is also ready to spike. Something is about to come in Vanity as well. We can clearly observe and watch it right now. I wish to see it go very smoothly towards 52 to 586. That's what I'm waiting for. All right, so Nifty is spiking up a bit. Okay. Um, this is very low in terms of the numbers, but it's fine. I mean, we don't have any problem with that. I'll trail it right here. And why I'm trailing it? Because anyhow, I don't want to see this break. So I don't want to anyway see this fair value gap tap into. That's a breakaway gap for. Okay, so I don't want to see the price come back into this area. So now my stop is 17 to 20 points. We're not going to lose a lot. We took out the buy side. That's the problem. We took out the buy side, but the momentum was not strong. We have 3 more minutes to go. And if the price can take off below before 3 minutes, I will add or look to add another position that will be right somewhere here. This is where it will spike up very good. Once we break out of that area, I feel that the spike above is going to be even better. So it can just drop down from there, but I feel we have to go up. I don't want to see this come down all the way, tap into the low of this, and then go back up. That's the problem there. If you see this continue, this new day opening gap should really support that again. If it can do that, we're too good to go. Pretty nice there. It'll be too good for us to see that. Oh, this is a rejection block. This is the problem. We tapped into the 50%. I want to see it break out of it. Should not allow to resist. I want to see it break out of it. Once we are able to do it, we're good to go. Stop loss is currently 17 points or maybe a little more than that because we have reached our positions. I'm still trusting this, that we will take some support. That's the problem there. Hmm. It was to happen. We just tapped into it. So let's see if we can still bounce back up. Because now we have just, okay, we now just have 1 minute left. Or for 3 o'clock to play out. So 3 o'clock usually gives some sort of momentum. Just checking again. Doesn't look too good. Looks like it will just I wish to see quick move up. This is a balanced price range. No reason for the price to drop below this. If it's dropping below it, then maybe we don't have the prices really going up today. Bank Nifty is definitely trying to it's facing the same resistance there, same problem there. Okay. Nifty is trying to push up. Okay, nice move higher. That's something I like about it, about this. Very good there. Let's see if it can continue. I want to see this support. I really want to see this. Should not break below this. It's a good sign. Pick up. It's a really good sign. Let's go back to this one. I would like to see the price tap into this, break out of it. Once we can go above it, there's a very high chance at running up here and up. Okay. So I don't see the price coming down here. If it's coming down here, it's not good at all. It's not good at all in this macro. It makes no sense then. So we'll just take a stop loss, whatever the price gives there, we'll take it. I don't want to see it tap into this. Not good. Quickly shoot up, quickly shoot up, quickly shoot up above this. Above that void is what I want to see. I can add a position right there without any hesitation. So I'm already in with 51 rupees. Needs to be quick. Needs to be quickly trading into this. That's where I will get all the conviction. And this should support it, should not resist. Should support. This is my set. The stop loss is almost 20 points. So I wish to see quick push up, but it's not happening here. So I have a protected stop loss. I wanted to see it go up, but it's not happening. I have like the last hope from here onwards. If it doesn't go above it, we'll close velocity. If it goes above this, once again, I will add on 25 points will be added. And that will be the last hope. If it starts breaking below that, I am not interested. Trying to go out of this NDUG. This is where it can spike all the way or just break below. So just try to be a participant. I need to see one spike. Of the Looks like it's going to support this. I'm not going to add any more positions. This is the last trade that I'm doing. If it hits my stop loss there, stop. 24,500. That's it. This is what I want to target now. I do not wish to target anything else. Honestly, I do not wish to target anything else. That's it. Vanity should really spike up. They should not break below this void, so I am trading my stop loss right here. If things turn around right away, breaking below this, we are done. I'll collapse the trade. Once we tap into this, that's where I'll be done for the day. It's done. 75 quantities right now, so it's like 20 points drop from there, but we have 600 something to protect. So I wish to see a spike, a quick spike higher. Okay, there's something that's happening. Like about this. Okay, not right there. Wish to see how this can protect the prices. See the spikes are good. Now let's do one thing. Let's exit 25, exit 25, exit. It's doing good. Really stop loss right into this volume imbalance. I don't want to see the price drop down all the way, right? So we have like how many points more? 50 quantities left. I need 10 points more. Good. Okay, that was a spike right there. Shorter. Bank Nifty is it trying to go up there? All right, let's do one thing. Let's cut it off. Let's cut it off. All good. अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी और इस लाइव एग्जीक्यूशन के साथ आप कुछ चीजें सीख चुके हो या बहुत कुछ सीखने चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो के नीचे एक कमेंट बॉक्स है, आराम से आओ कमेंट करो. यू कैन ऑल्सो रीच आउट टू मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. आप मुझे टेलीग्राम पे भी रीच आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है, आई एम इजिली अवेलेबल ऑन एवरी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म. वीडियो अच्छी लगी सो एंश्योर टू लाइक दिस वीडियो, शेयर दिस वीडियो विद एज मेनी पीपल एज यू कैन. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस. बाय.